Today we'll talk about deletion in the trie. How do we delete a string in the trie? And before this video, I've also talked about insertion and search in the trie. What are the basics of the trie? What are the benefits of the trie? Everything I've talked in my previous video. So if in case you have not watched those videos, then please go ahead and watch those videos as well. So let's start. How do we do deletion in the trie? So first let's insert these strings in the trie, and the structure of the node that I am taking is simple. Is a trie node that have a children pointer array of children pointer that is 26 size. We are keeping alphabet size and we are keeping is end of the word to keep mark of the end of the word, and we are not taking the char data in this trie node because हम check करते हैं कि अगर उस trie node के उस index पे नोड एग्जिस्ट करती है तो वो कैरेक्टर एग्जिस्ट करता है. एज इन व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल इज, अगर हम ए बी सी इंसर्ट करना चाह रहे हैं, सो ए if a node of this children, like if a node is present at the 0th index for this trie node, a children is present at the 0th index, then that a is present, so we do not need to keep character data. Similarly, if a node is present at the 1th index, the bth index, then b is present in this trie, so it's the same thing. So this is how we are doing the index mapping, and there are different ways of getting rid of this. I have also talked about this in my first video, that if we do not want to keep this children pointer, we can also keep a map. For that I can keep a separate video, but let's keep it simple, and I'm taking this simple structure here. So let's see how do we insert these nodes in the string in the trie and how do we further delete them. So हमारा एक root node है and initially इसके जो भी 26 children हैं वो क्या है, null है, plus the end of the word is marked as 0. So this is how the structure looks like. So the 8th index for this root is not present, right? There is no node present at the 0th index. So what we'll do, we'll create a node here a, and it will have the end of the word as 0. Further down if we go, then we do not have any node at the bth index of this node. इसके जो children है, जो उसका जो second children है, the first, I mean the 0 and the 1, the first index पे कोई भी node created नहीं है. So we allocate a memory there एंड हम यहाँ पे बी एन 0 कर देते. सिमिलरली हम ट्राई में ऐसे ही फर्दर लेवल डाउन करेंगे. हम चेक करेंगे कि इसका जो चिल्ड्रन है सी क्या होता है, हमारा 2th इंडेक्स होता है, राइट. 3 - 1 = 2. सो हम देखेंगे क्या इसके 0 1 2 2th इंडेक्स पे कोई भी नोड एग्जिस्ट करती है, नहीं एग्जिस्ट करती. सो वी विल एलोकेट अ मेमोरी देयर एंड वील मार्क इट एज द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड. ओके, now what we'll do a ABD insertion. So we'll check at the root, is there a node that exists at 8th index? Yes. Is there a node that exists at bth index? Yes. Is there a node that exists at dth index? No. So what we'll do, we'll create a node here and we'll mark the end of the word as 1. Now similarly, what we'll do, from the root, does there exist a node at the eth index? No. So we create a node there, 0. And then further down we create a node a, and for this we mark the end of the word as 1. Now if we insert EAD, तो हम क्या देखेंगे, क्या 8th इंडेक्स के फर्दर डाउन इफ़ वी गो कोई नोड एग्जिस्ट करती है, डीएथ इंडेक्स पे नहीं करती है. तो हमने यहाँ पे डीएथ इंडेक्स मीन्स इफ़ वी सी ए का चिल्ड्रन ऑफ 3 at a node at D does not exist, so we create a node and we mark the end of the word as 1. Now we have the word starting with B. So okay, we create a word at node at bth index and mark the end of the word as 0 for creating BA. Then we create a node at 8th index, then we mark the end of the word as 0, and then we create a word at dth index of A and we mark the end of the word as 1. Now if we want to insert BA, then what we'll simply do, a node exists at B? Yes, it already exists. A node exists at A? Yes, it already exists. So what we'll do, we'll just mark this as the end of the word. Now what we have to do additionally, we have to insert the word CAD. Okay, so from this root we check that any node exists at the cth index, that is second index. This is 0 1 4. Then any node exists as 2th index? No, it does not exist. Then we create a node C and we mark as the end of the word 0. Similarly 0, and similarly this D we marked as 1. So now our strings are inserted in this try. Now if we have to delete these strings, okay, so the bottom rule of deletion is, say we delete this A, B, C. I mean, we can delete a node only if there are no children of it present. That applies to everything, right? So we delete a node if there are no children pointers of it. All the children pointers of it are null. Or otherwise, if it is not the case, then if we have to delete a word, then we can also mark the end of the word from 1 to 0. This will also mark the deletion of the node. So if we see here from BAD, then if we want to delete BA, then what we'll simply do, the reverse of how we inserted it. We'll just simply mark this one as 0, but BAD will keep on existing in this tree and BA will be deleted. Okay, so let's look in detail here. So these are the different conditions that we'll look at. If we want to delete ABD, what we'll do? So what we do deletion recursively, and we first come to the end node and then we move from bottom to up. Okay, so what we'll do, if A is not the end, I mean A is not the end of the string, then what we'll do, we'll come further down, and there can be a string that does not exist in the try. So if we say that A, like AC, okay, so if we want to delete this string AC, and if we are moving further down and we do not find that node, okay, so there are different conditions, and we'll walk over the code as well. So what we'll do, we'll go to the we'll check if the root node, from the root node, does a node at index Ath exist? It exists. And then we'll further check that root at index Cth exists? No, it actually does not exist. So what we'll return, if it does not exist, then we'll return false here. So let's take it one by one. Say we want to delete ABD. So what we'll do, we'll traverse down, that is the first condition, recur down the path. So what we'll do, we'll reach here D, and we say that there are two things that we check here for this type of thing. We check here that if we are at the bottommost node, okay, or if we have reached down the level of the string length, okay, so then what we'll do, first thing we'll do, we'll mark that end of the word as 0. So first thing we'll do, we'll mark that end of the word as 0, and then we'll check that for the bottommost node we'll do this, and then we'll check that if there are no null children, then we will delete this node. Okay, now we'll go up the level B. So for B, what we'll do, if it is a empty node as in there are no children of this, so then we delete this, and similarly we go up, and for A, if it is an empty node, then we delete it. We return a null here, we return a null further. So but that is not the case here, so we only delete D here, and the rest of the A and B nodes are kept as it is. So what we'll do, again we'll go till the node B, but what we'll see that if it is the end of the word, then it should be 1, but it was not 1, so we'll return false here. Now let's see another example. Delete the word CAD in this try. So we'll go to the bottommost node D, and what we'll do, we'll mark this end of the word as 0. Now since D does not has any further child, or say there are no word as CADA, if it was existent, then there would have been another node following the CAD, right? So there is no further node for this D, then we'll delete this D node and we'll return a null here. Now for this A also, there are no children of this A, and the end of the word is also 0. That is why we delete this. Otherwise, if the end of the word was 1, there would have been a word CA and we could not have deleted this A. Now if we go up, we return null. And for the C also is the same case, and we delete the C. So in this case, we end up deleting the whole word itself from the try. Now let's say we have to remove EAD. So the same case that I explained here, for this EAD, if we go further down to the bottommost node, so हम क्या देखेंगे, for this D, डी क्या है, एंड ऑफ द वर्ड है, तो हम सबसे पहले तो इसे 0 मार्क कर देंगे एंड इसके कोई भी चिल्ड्रन नहीं है तो हम इसे डिलीट कर देंगे। नाउ अगर हम ए पे जाते हैं, इसको हम नल रिटर्न कर देंगे, सही है। अगर हम अब ए पे जाते हैं तो ए का कोई भी चिल्ड्रन नहीं है, दैट कंडीशन इज़ ट्रू, लेकिन ये एंड ऑफ द वर्ड है। इसका मतलब इस डिक्शनरी में एक ए नाम की स्ट्रिंग एग्जिस्ट करती है, सो इस केस में हम ये ए रिमूव नहीं कर सकते एंड वील गो अप, वी कैन नॉट रिमूव दिस ई एंड वील गो अप, क्योंकि हम जब ऊपर आएंगे सो इसका एक चिल्ड्रन एग्जिस्ट करेगा, सो यू वुड नॉट हैव बीन बी एबल टू डिलीट ई और हम ऊपर चले। सो इस ई ए डी और सी ए डी के डिलीशन में ये डिफरेंस था कि यहाँ पे एक एंड ऑफ द वर्ड था और यहाँ पे एक एंड ऑफ द वर्ड नहीं था। नाउ इफ़ वी डिलीट दिस बी ए, ओके, सो हम यहाँ पर एक सब स्ट्रिंग डिलीट कर रहे हैं, सही है। अभी हम यहाँ तक आए, ठीक है। हमने क्या करा, सबसे पहले कोई भी वर्ड डिलीट करने के लिए हम एंड ऑफ द वर्ड 0 तो मार्क कर सकते हैं, बट इसके आगे भी एक नोड है, मतलब बी ए के आगे एक बी ए डी भी इस ट्राई में एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो हम इस ए नोड को भी डिलीट नहीं कर सकते। सो भले ही हमने एंड ऑफ द वर्ड डिलीट कर दिया, बट हम इस नोड को डिलीट नहीं कर सकते एंड इफ वी गो अप वी कैन नॉट डिलीट दिस। सो we can imagine these few things, that it is going in a recursion fashion. We are always checking these two conditions, it is empty and if it is end of the word. So and for the bottom node we are always making 1 to 0 for the bottommost node if we are up to the key length level. So let's look at the isEmpty function, that अगर हम नोड का कोई भी चिल्ड्रन नहीं है तभी हम उसे डिलीट करते हैं, वो वाली कंडीशन, सही है। सो अगर इस नोड के सारे चिल्ड्रन नल हैं तभी हम इसे डिलीट करेंगे। तो कैसे करेंगे, हम इसके 0 से 25 तक आइट्रेट करेंगे और किसी भी पॉइंट पे अगर मुझे नोड प्रेजेंट मिलेगी, अगर इस रूट के चिल्ड्रन ऑफ 0 प्रेजेंट है तो मैं फॉल्स रिटर्न कर दूंगी, अदरवाइज एट द एंड आई विल रिटर्न ट्रू। सो दिस इज़ माई isEmpty फंक्शन दैट आई विल बी यूजिंग इन माई कोड फर्दर। सो नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द कोड इटसेल्फ। सो हमने isEmpty फंक्शन समझ लिया है कि अगर उसके कोई भी चिल्ड्रन पे नोड एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती है तो द नोड इज़ एम्प्टी, इट डज नॉट हैव एनी चिल्ड्रन। सो व्हाट वील डू, से हमने एक ए बी सी को डिलीट करने का सोचा ट्राई में, एंड दिस इज वॉज माई रूट नोड, एंड इफ़ वी सी सम एग्जाम्पल देन माई ट्री वॉज लुकिंग लाइक दिस, ओके। Let's look at this simple example, and we have this 1 and we have this 0, then we have this 0. So let's iterate over the code. What we'll do here is, हमने डेप्थ इनिशियली 0 भेजी, डेप्थ हमारी क्या मार्क कर रही है, जो हमारी स्ट्रिंग लेंथ है, मतलब अगर हमारी डेप्थ 0 1 2 हो जाएगी तो we'll be at the end of the node and till then, so what we'll do, if ये तो अभी फर्स्ट टाइम में, तो जब हमने इस फंक्शन में लेट्स से, सो से दिस रिमूव फंक्शन, वी सेंड द रूट एंड द की एज ए बी सी एंड द डेप्थ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग एज 0. सो व्हाट हैपेंड is we check that the root is not null, then we did not return anything, and then we check that depth is equals to key of size, no. Then what we come to this line and we fetch the index, so the index is 0. So what we do, we recursively went to, we call another the function itself and root of the children of index. तो यहाँ पे root of the children of index क्या है, a है, and the key is again abc and the depth is 1. So now again we come up to the function. तो हमने क्या करा, यहाँ पे दोनों ही conditions valid नहीं है, so यहाँ पे we go to this remove function with this b root and abc as the key and 2 as the depth. Now we again call this remove function with the c as the root and abc key and 3 as the depth. Now what is next is we lie here that the depth is equals to key of size. Yes, depth is equals to key of size, yes. तो सबसे पहले हमने क्या करा, इसका जो रूट एंड ऑफ द वर्ड था, अगर रूट एंड ऑफ द वर्ड था तो हमने यहाँ पे फॉल्स, यहाँ पे इसे 0 बना दिया. देन व्हाट डू वी डू, अगर ये रूट एम्प्टी है, तो हमने इस रूट को डिलीट कर दिया एंड यहाँ पे नल कर दिया और यहाँ पे रूट रिटर्न कर दिया. सो हमने बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया, नल रिटर्न कर दिया. मीन्स इसका चिल्ड्रन क्या बन गया, यहाँ पे नल बन गया. वी आर एट दिस bth रूट. ओके, So this is false, this is false. So what we'll do, we'll execute these lines. So is this root empty? So is this root empty? No, it is not empty. So what we'll do, we'll simply return the root here. B means the children will be B itself. Now for similarly for A, is this root empty? This is not empty. So we'll similarly return the A here to the root. So is this root empty? No. So we'll return root to the main function. Okay, so this is how we delete. And if it would have been empty, say if it had been empty, then what we would have been done, we would have been deleted this node, then this node, and null हम रिटर्न करते जाते. तो हम इस केस में भी यहाँ पे null रिटर्न कर देते और इस केस में भी हम null रिटर्न कर देते रूट को. तो हम ऐसे पूरा वर्ड डिलीट कर देते. तो इट्स सिंपल, हम दो कंडीशंस चेक कर रहे हैं और रिकर्सिवली हम बॉटम टू टॉप इन द ट्राई मूव करते जा रहे हैं. So I hope you were able to understand this code, and if you have any questions regarding this, then please do comment. I'll be happy to help you, happy to answer all the questions at the earliest, and I'll be uploading more questions of the try, so keep a watch on this playlist and share this playlist with your friend. This is very important concept and asked in lot of interviews, so stay tuned, do subscribe and share with your friends.